So hello guys, in this video we will talk about the sorting algorithm. In previous videos we have talked about the insertion sort and selection sort. So I will suggest you will watch those video first. So let's see what is the algorithm behind it. So this is the code. So let's understand the code. Like first we have defined the function using def, and function's name is this, and it will take unordered list as a parameter or argument, like this type of list, and then according to this algorithm it will sort it and print it. So what is the algorithm? So uh, we implement this for loop, and we are defining min index to the idx. Then we are again implementing one for loop, then using we are checking this condition, and then we are swapping according to if this condition is satisfied. So let's see one example of this. So let's say we have this unsorted list 2341. So how this algorithm will run and sort this? So initially if we check this for loop, so our list length is 4. So length is 4. So what is the different value idx can take? Idx can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Like here I have defined idx can take 0, 1, 2, 3 according to this for loop. So if we check for idx is equal to 0 initially, so min index is equal to idx. So min index is equal to 0. Then what is the different value j can take according to this? It will start from idx plus 1, and idx is 0, so it will start from 1 and go to the like length of unordered list minus 1, so it will go to the 1 2 3 like this. So different value of j can happen for idx is equal to 0 or 1 2 and 3. So if we check for j is equal to 1, like, so if we take this condition, like for j is equal to 1, if we check if unordered list of min index means min index is 0, so unordered list of index 0 means which element? It will talking about the first element. So 2 and j is equal to 1, index is j is equal to 1 corresponding to the index 1, and element is 3. Like our list is this, so first index. So if we check, then first index element is this. So 2 is greater than 3, so it will false. So again this if condition is not satisfied, so the code will not run further. For j is equal to 2, if we check, then 2 is greater than 4, so again code will not run further. And if we check j is equal to 3, so now the min index become here 3. So now the min index is becoming 3, and what we are doing, so this condition is satisfied, like 2 is greater than 1. Like if we check, compare this and this, 2 is greater than 1, and min index will become 3, and it will swap which element? Unordered list of idx. We have now idx is equal to 0, and min index is equal to we have 3. So this, so it will swap those elements, yeah, which means it will swap like we have our list 2 3 4 1, so it will swap 1 and it will swap 2, so it will become like this 1 3 4 2. So up till now I hope it is clear. Now we have this new list 1 3 4 2. So we check idx is equal to 1. Now it's time to check the case of idx. We check for idx is equal to 0 case. Now it's time to check the case of idx is equal to 1 case. So according to our code, what is the min index value? Min index is equal to idx, so min index will now become 1. And what is the different value j can take? J take from idx plus 1 to length of unordered list minus 1. So if idx is equal to 1, then j can take value 2 and 3, and this is now our new list. So if we check condition according to this if condition, so idx is equal to min index we have 1 and j is equal to 2. So if we compare element corresponding to index 1 and 2, so 3 is greater than 4, so it will not connect, so further procedure will not happen. So for this is for j is equal to 2. For j is equal to 3, if we check 3 is greater than 2, like we are comparing between this and this, So it is correct. So code will run and it will swap these two elements. So like now our new list become this 1 2 4 3. And now we will check for idx is equal to 2. This is our last this is our next idx value. So min index again will become 2, like according to this min index is equal to idx, so it will become 2. J value, only one value of j is remaining, j is equal to 3. So now if we check the condition, this condition, so min idx is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. So if we uh, compare element corresponding to index 2 and 3, like these two elements. So if we compare element corresponding to this, so 4 is greater than 3, so this is correct. So these two elements will swap and now we will get this. So here our list is sorted and we are done. So hope you understand this algorithm. So in this way it is working, and next we will see its implementation in Python. It is giving us correct result or not. So let's see. So here I written the code of selection sort that I tell you previously. So here is the code, and if I run this code on this unsorted list, so it is giving us correct answer 1 2 3 4. So here you can see our code is working. So hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then subscribe and share with your friends. We will meet in the next video.